Thank you very much. I think the press will have enough time to take more photographs. May I request, can we please move on to the next session? A mic to you. Yeah, Ms. Malini.
Hi, this is Miss Malini, and congratulations on your book, Shut Up. I want you to know that the book cover is actually going viral on the internet. I wanted to know how you feel about that. And Mr. Bachchan, you use Twitter and social media so much. So, आपको क्या लगता है? How do you feel about social media? And you use it so well. So, what do you think is special about it?
What?
How do you feel about the book cover going so viral and people being so excited about it?
I'm just happy that the book is out and people will get a chance to read it, and the media is just going to create more awareness, and that's always excellent. Thanks.
And Mr. Bachchan, how do you feel about social media? You use it so well and so uniquely.
It's something that's very modern. And I just felt that it was a lovely way to communicate with your well-wishers and fans. And I've had a wonderful experience with them. And it really gives you an opportunity to build a family of friends and well-wishers. And I enjoy doing that.
You know, the book that you signed is going to go out to someone special who sent in a question on it. So can you ask the question and they'll win it? Any one question you want to ask about the book?
Yeah. What is the name of the hero of the book, of the story?
Thank you so much.
Any further questions?
बच्चन जी यहाँ अगर आप तो वैसे सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पे अपने ट्वीट्स और अपनी उसके द्वारा बहुत कुछ लिखते हैं, लेकिन बच्चन जी अगर कोई बुक लिखना चाहेंगे तो वो किस विषय पर होगी और किसको डेडिकेट करेंगे?
जी, मैं इस लायक नहीं हूँ कि किताब लिख सकूँ।
और अगर कोई आप पे लिखना चाहे आपकी बायोग्राफी तो क्या आप इजाजत देंगे बच्चन को?
मैं तो उनसे कहूँगा कि ना लिखें, क्योंकि कुछ उनको मिलने वाला है नहीं। सुनाई नहीं दे रहा मैडम आपका।
सर क्या वजह है कि आप इजाजत नहीं देंगे? आपकी लाइफ इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग रही, आपकी जो जर्नी है बॉलीवुड में, जो स्ट्रगल है, फिर जो आज स्टारडम आपको मिला है, जो लोग पढ़ेंगे तो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग।
मैं क्या इजाज़त दूंगा आपको? आपको अगर लिखना हो आप लिखिए।
Yeah.
I think they should read this book called Murder in Bollywood. बहुत सी किताबें हैं, लेकिन बहुत से सक्षम कलाकार हैं हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, निर्देशक हैं, निर्माता हैं। उनसे ये प्रश्न पूछना चाहिए। मुझ में इतनी काबिलियत नहीं है कि मैं किसी एक कहानी को पढ़ सकूं और ये एक मुझे एहसास हो कि इसकी एक बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बन सकती है। लेकिन बहुत से ऐसे निर्देशक निर्माता हैं जिनको है इसके अकल, और बहुत सी ऐसी कहानियां हैं उनके पास।
Any further questions?
होशियार खान होना चाहिए।
जैदी साहब, जो मैंने नाम सोचा था पहले कैरेक्टर का था, वो था इंस्पेक्टर हुसैन शहरियार खान, लेकिन वो कुछ ज़्यादा लंबा था एंड पीपल वुड नॉट कनेक्ट टू इट। तो मैंने हुसैन को और शहरियार को ज्वाइन करके होशियार कर दिया, एंड इट इज़ अ नेम आई होप पीपल फाइंड कैची एंड द कैरेक्टर ग्रोज।
So for those who have not understood the context, this is a crime thriller in which the investigator's name is Inspector होशियार खान. Imagine एक कॉप है जिसका नाम ही होशियार है, तो खुद कितना होशियार होगा? So tell me, how did you get the idea of, you know, writing a story which is based in Bollywood and serial killing?
देखिए, what had happened was, I think in the 1930 productions back then, David O. Selznick, Cecil B. DeMille, she was working with all of them. She was basically a sort of a dancer, and she was brutally murdered. And the detectives from Los Angeles Homicide who investigated the case had to question a whole lot of celebrities, some of the biggest names in Hollywood, and they could not make any headway because everybody clamped up, and they were too powerful. They couldn't get close to them, and the investigation closed down. Till today, it's an unsolved case. that gave me the idea of setting a murder mystery in Bollywood, but the only difference is a fictional detective will actually solve it. So that's how it came about. देखिए, that's not my call. Let whoever buys the rights, if it happens, let them take a call on that. And if it's, I don't have anything to say at this point. Thanks.
Mr. Bachchan, one question from you. Since you know his grandfather was an actor, his father was an actor, did you ever think when you saw him in his teenage years that he will also turn out to be a good menacing villain?
Why are you putting him in that category? Look at him, he's such a handsome young man, play the leading role. But I really want to say that I consider myself very fortunate to be sitting here today because I've had the honor, the privilege to have worked with his grandfather and with his father and with his uncle. And I cannot tell you what a wonderful moment it is for me to be here in the company of Shadab today for the launch of his book. It's, as I said earlier, it was really quite unbelievable for me to imagine somebody so small. Amjad and me were very, very close friends, and we spent some wonderful moments together, some very intimate moments, some moments of grief and tragedy, some moments of great happiness. And I can only wish you and your family all the very best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bachchan, for gracing this occasion. We are so happy and so grateful.